Just like how I said here that you need to look at allocated cells and find out UI and VJ values. Now you need to find out the empty cells, that is the unallocated cells, empty cells, and find out the opportunity cost, that is Dij values. So the formula to find out Dij is, that is the opportunity cost, is Dij equal to Cij minus of UI plus Vj. Now this formula might feel little difficult at first, but how to solve it? Just look at this. Just write this generic formula and then proceed like this. Now Dij, I is rows and j is columns. Always rows comes first, columns comes later. So let us first note down which all columns or which all cells we need to find out Dij values. I need to find out here, 4 Dij values. So let us write down their nomenclature. So D1 2, D 2 1, D 2 2, and D 3 1. So these are the things that I need to find out. Why only these things? Why? Because you can see here clearly this is the first row, second column. So first row, second column. Yeah, first row, sorry, second row, first column, D21. Second row, second column, D22. And third row, first column, D31. Always we write the row number first and then the column number. So these are the 4 values I need to find out. Let us find out here one by one. So D12. Here you have to see what is the Cij value, because here Cij they have said. So Cij is the cost element. Generally this is the element that they have mentioned in the question paper. So what was the cost element here? So if you see at the question, the cost element here is 30, unallocated cell. So 30 is the cost element. We need to note down 30 minus of UI plus Vj. Now let us see what is the UI and Vj value for that empty cell. So this is that empty cell which I am talking about. This. Now what is the UI value? UI value is 50. Vj value is for this is minus 62. Minus 62. So I'll just solve it. 30 minus of 50 plus into minus is minus 62. So which is equals to 30 minus 50 minus 62 is minus 12. You can use your calculators. Then which is equals to minus into minus is plus, so 30 plus 12 which is equals to 42. You can use your calculators to find out this. Similarly, now next step, D21. How do I find out D21? So here again, what was the cost element here? The cost element here was 70. So 70, I'll write that as 70 minus of UI plus Vj.